Welcome to Builder. In this video, we'll walk through a pro tip called one-to-many. So the one-to-many feature means you take one list item and you can add it to many different lists. In this example, we'll look at some sponsors for my event who will also be exhibiting. So I have an exhibitors list and I want to put some of my sponsors in this list as well, but I don't want to have the same sponsor showing up at two different places where I have to make sure I edit the content in two different places all the time. I just want it to be one page that just happens to show up in two places. And that's what this feature is all about. So I have a sponsors list. This is the source of my data, the original data. And here is my exhibitors list. I'm going to click on New. And instead of creating a new list item from scratch, I'm going to click on this option to attach an existing item. And let's pick up Boeing. Now I made a note to myself that this is a sponsor and an exhibitor, but I actually don't want the exhibitor word to show up anywhere. So let's click on Boeing and take out the word exhibitor. This will make that change on the Boeing page from the exhibitors list, and it has edited that page here in the sponsors list because it's actually the same page. It's just showing up in two different places. So here's Boeing, and it's also an exhibitor. Let's pull in some more sponsors. Again, I click New, attach an existing item, type in the name of the item, and it'll be linked in here, and you'll see it says also in sponsors. And when I go to the sponsors view, it says also in exhibitors. Let's pull in one more exhibitor. So I open the exhibitors list, click New, click attach an existing item, and I type in the name of a sponsor who is also exhibiting. I can quickly reorder my exhibitors list alphabetically by clicking quick reorder and then sort alphabetically A to Z by first word. Nice and neat, super easy. The sponsors and exhibitors list example is pretty common, but you might have another way that you use this feature. Something else that we like to do is have like a local attractions list, and then maybe you have another list where you put your favorites, your recommended area attractions. So let's see how we would do that. In the example, I already had these lists created, but I'll show you how to create this from scratch. We'll click Add a New Feature, and we're going to pick up two custom lists. The first custom list will be our source, our original list where all of our data lives, and we'll call this All Restaurants. And then we'll have a second list, which will be kind of our destination list, and then we'll say Our Favorites. So All Restaurants, let's go back to All Restaurants and add some details. I am going to click New and then actually fill in these fields because I need to put some data in here in the first place. So let's put some restaurants nearby the office that we like. Sorry for the loud typing here. So I'm just going to put in one more. So here are 4 restaurants that are nearby. You would probably put a more significant, longer list of restaurants for your guide. And then let's go to the favorites list. Instead of redoing that work, I'm going to click New and then choose to attach an existing item. So here is Chuck's, one of our favorite restaurants. So now I have this kind of like quick list. You have all of the restaurants, which could have, numerous restaurants here. Then you have our favorites. It could be quick fare, it could be by cuisine, whatever you want to sort this by. You can kind of create these sub lists. So that's the one-to-many feature. If you have any questions about adding content to custom lists, how to link data, how to attach an existing item into a list, or anything else, reach out to us at support@guidebook.com.